Hello, and in this video, we'll run the project for the first time. And we'll do that by opening Visual Studio project, and then we'll just glance over the project properties and see where actually the environment variables are used. Then we'll select the debug and release configurations, and then finally we'll compile and run the project. The most important requirement for this particular project is the camera needs to be plugged in while you compile and run the project. So let's give it a shot. So I'll just go to the folder of the project. When you'll download it, you'll get a folder like this. You can go to VC 2012, and then you open the IRSAW SLN file, or the Visual Studio Solution file. When you open it, yeah, so this is what the project looks like. This is the project. This CPP file in the source is basically where all the code for the project is. So if you right click on the project and go to properties, so these are the project properties, and if you go to the C++ tab, in that you see additional include directories. So this is where we tell Visual Studio where the include files for this project are. And as you can see here, we have used the environment variable for Cinder, OpenCV, and RSSDK. So Cinder root is for Cinder, RSSDK root is for RSSDK, and OpenCV root is for OpenCV. Uh, Similarly, if you go to linker, additional library directories, this is where we tell where the library directory is for RealSense SDK, Cinder, and OpenCV are. So this is where the environment variables are being used. If you change it over here, say if you want to call it Cinder dev, you have to change the environment variables as well. So that's it. Here you can select whether to run the project in release mode or debug mode. If you want to debug something, let's select release mode and try to build the project. So we'll say build. uh, because I already built it, it says up to date, but it should be succeeded, and then we'll try to run it, and that's it. So by default the visualizer on the project is turned off. So to turn it on, you click on toggle visualizer rendering. When you click that, you can see the depth image, and these 8 sections will represent the vibration motors and how strongly they are being vibrated. So that's about it. That's how you run the project for the first time, and you are good and all set.